As you can see, this is probably the biggest junk drawer I got so far. A bunch of packaging. Okay, again, bunch of new stuff. Oh wow, cute. This is really cheap stuff. I'd say retail value is like $5, maybe 12. But I'd assume this is just $5 stuff over here. There's no quality in here at all. There's a bunch of junk drawer items over here for sure. Pretty cool stuff, but nothing fancy. Ooh, money! So this is silver certificate with blue stamp. How do we know it's silver certificate? $1 in silver payable to the bearer on demand. Couple of them. This is a star note. That's kind of cool. Star notes always more expensive. It's like a replacement, but both of them are really bad quality. $2. Football, baseball cards. Let's see what else we have here. Now look at this close up. Some kind of wooden carved plate. Ooh, Vladivostok. That's a city near China and Japan. That's cool. More items that we can look close up. American flag, looks like a grill patch thing. You hook it up. I guess it's a pin for your truck. Ooh, what is this? Some kind of game. Some kind of cube game. Spinning rocks. Never heard about it. That's cool. What else is in here? Ooh, bunch of clamps. I'll take it. Brand new clamps. You know what? We'll scan it. So you press it right here and then just tighten it up like that. Look how many of them. We'll scan it with our eBay scanner. Oh my gosh, look at that. Another some kind of box, waterproof, survival gadget over here. Okay. What is this? Oh no. VR. Is it for the cell phone? I guess so. Let's look at this close up. Oh my gosh, look how many coins there are. Let's see if we got anything valuable. Pretty much anything have value as long as people willing to pay for it. But let's see. Okay, there is some cool Year of the Snake copper and Zombucks. That's kind of interesting copper rounds over here. So lots of world coins. I don't think none of it is silver. Doesn't look like it anyways. There's some Canadian 50 cents, 1966. Looks like silver, you see it? Pesos, 1983. Not sure if that's silver. Oh yeah, do you hear it? That sounds like silver, but I'll have to go through it, double check. Obviously United States standing liberties and barber dimes, no dates. 1895 looks like. Really old silver quarters, $4.50 each. $1.70 each is what is this? Mercury dime. Look how many quarters we have right here. This right here already $18 in itself, $20, and then we keep on going. With pennies right here, you see, that's like 3 cents instead of 1 cent. Take those to a coin store. So the most valuable out of all those coins, I really don't know those ones, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this right here is $45 right here by itself. That's cool. Actually $50. Give it or take it. Then right here another $7 right here, just in silver. Not really sure the contents of silver of Canadians. That's cool. What else we have here? Okay, vintage multi-tool. It's a pretty cool jewelry. I do not see if it's stolen or not. Couple of watches, still running, no bracelets. You know, when I was working at Walmart, they would sell bracelets by itself. This one is kind of like a hue gold. Looks like a tiny little 1 gram gold coin in here. I'm not really sure. Might have to take it to a coin store. Probably worth nothing. And bunch of pins and stuff. Silver right here. XO stem 925. But who knows? Till you test it, you don't know if it's silver or not. This one over here, the bit of silver too. There's not a lot at all. This right here, 925 stamped. If you sell it for silver, you'll have to remove this little plastic thing or whatever that stone is. And that looks like it. Okay, there's another pile of stuff. More coins. Let's go through here. You know what? I think this one I paid only $200 for this junk dollar. Ooh, right away I already see a very cool silver bar. That's like $25 in itself. On eBay they sell for a lot more. Zombox, which one is this? This one is Buffalo. Quality is kind of bad, so you probably won't get any premium. Ooh, copper bar, 3 nines. Very cool bars. Wow, look at that one. Just unique art on it. World coins, pesos, 944, silver. What else we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So about $10 right here. That's cool. Boom. More silver. I'll take that all day. What else we have here? A bunch of junk. It's so dirty. Worth nothing. And there might be some silver in here. You never know till you check. Okay. Stamped 925, but who knows. Cool. Goes into my have to be tested silver. And bunch of stones over here. And this is might be silver as well. Let's open it. That looks like Matryoshki. That's funny. $100 in itself, just in silver. That was a lot of fun. Whole bunch of new stuff. Let's scan a couple of things. Okay, I have 5 of these things. Let's scan it. The barcode are there. $4 and $6 shipping. So we have right here in itself $50 or $4 each. That's awesome. Okay, this one does not come up. On Amazon it come up $27. Wow, that's crazy. Let's check this pin for fun. What people selling this for? $15. So another successful junk door. Whenever I get silver bars from junk doors, I always test them just in case slips in one is not very authentic. But this looks legit.